What's up, guys? It's me, Teacher Collins from High Owl Star. Is he or she in the... Yes, he or she is. Or, no, he or she isn't. Is he in the bedrooms? No, he isn't. Is he upstairs? Yes, he is. Is she in the bathroom? No, she isn't. Is she in the living room? Yes, she is. Is he in the dining room? No, he isn't. Is he downstairs? Yes, he is. Is she in the kitchen? No, she isn't. Is she in the garden? Yes, she is. Can you guys remember how to say, is he or she in the, and yes, he or she is, or no, he or she isn't. It's time to say goodbye. So I'll see you guys next time.